Hi, I'm Deb, your Get Set Up guide. Do you deprive yourself of dessert or take care to just enjoy a tiny bit because it has too many calories or it's not good for you? I know I do. So I'm excited to share some interesting and delicious recipes that can change that for us. I've taste tested and given these recipes two thumbs up, one for flavor and one for being guilt free. In this class, we'll talk about the ingredients that can make a dessert unhealthy and what we can do about that without losing flavor. Believe it or not, we'll even discuss some healthy ingredients you can incorporate into your desserts to actually make them good for you. Participants in my 30-minute meals and healthy meals on a budget sessions have asked for this class and Get Set Up listened. So join me and be part of our lifelong learning community as we talk about healthy desserts. Yes, they do exist.